See, very clearly, both the ministers have already come on record saying that if they have any kind of problems with their kith and kin, or if they have any kind of evidence, let them come and share it with the CM or with anybody else within the government. These kind of hit and run allegations will not do. Even last time when they claimed 40%, we have set up a committee for that, and they can still go ahead and complain to the relevant authorities. And more importantly, both the ministers have suggested if it is proved, they are going to resign. I mean, it is now becoming a habit for anybody who does not get a contract or pay or their bills paid on time. They allege like this. Like, how did my question is, in the previous government, more than 40-50,000 crores worth of contracts were given. At whose behest were they given? Even when there was no money allocated for such projects, contracts were bid. That time, weren't they aware that this is happening? In the previous government, that time they did not say anything. We are for transparent government. We want to give clean administration, and we are doing everything within our ambit to do so. And if they have any evidence against any of the ministers, the CM is more than happy to investigate, is what both the DCM and the CM have suggested. But this kind of regular blackmailing should not be done.